Now when glamour meets sports, what results is a great combination of sorts. With almost 80% of the city working 6 days a week, there is a great need for a good fitness regime, and hence we see many fitness centers catering to the youngsters' needs today. Although Number City stands for diversity, there's one thing that is common amongst the working class. Everyone leads a fast-paced life and most of them are into jobs where there is minimal physical activity. This is why fitness centers are in great demand. People are not just looking for any fitness center. There is a need for a place that is both affordable and effective.
Is fast, convenient, affordable, and we truly believe in that, because what we're trying to do is make fitness accessible to everybody. You know, there are people who say that they can't afford a gym, the gym is too far. So what we're trying to do is bring each Snap to every neighborhood. So people can just walk down, work out, go back home. It's convenient, it's open almost 24/7, and it's a single floor plate. You can walk in, do your workout, go back. So basically we're trying to make fitness accessible to one and all.
With over 5 to 6 fitness centers opening up in a matter of 6 months, this city sure is getting equipped with all the needs of today's youngsters. Actor Shireen and cricketer Sudhir Rao launched the 6th branch of a renowned fitness center in the city. Both of them spoke about the need to stay fit in today's fast-moving world.
It comes naturally to me, and it's about working out every morning for an hour or so. I train at KSJ. It's about doing about 45 minutes of cardio and then hit to the gym. So fitness is, I think fitness is very, very important to every individual. It's not only being a sportsman or not, but it is very, very important. So I do urge each and everyone to start training.
Actually, hitting a gym or going through a fitness regime every day is absolute necessity. Our ancestors did that, our forefathers did that, everyone did that, and I think we should continue doing that and stop being lazy and being on the couch and sipping on the cokes and eating up your potato chips, and that doesn't work. You're going to die fast and fat.
So with a whole lot of options to choose from, the city's fitness freaks surely would be pleased to hear this news. With competition amongst these centers growing by the day, it is the end user who has the last laugh. Now they have a place that they can afford to go to, and that promises good results too. Mehak Mehta, Entertainment Bureau, News 9. Well, think of my fitness regime. You take a short break.